Take them, guys.
Mic issues? Always mic issues.
Always mic.
I think they'd have that figured out by now.
Yeah, we can send people to space, but
yeah,
so we're told.
So we're told. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, here we go.
How are you going to sound effect that? Easy!
Shink, shink, shink. I'm gonna just use that.
Okay.
Shink.
Oh yeah, we got a good hike.
Covered! Big rig coming in! Donkey! Who's your daddy? Otherwise known as... Oreos out for you. Otherwise known as poop. Right here!
I'm zooming. I got it.
That's the gold. That's what we're here for.
Oh, Alberta ground. Oh, nice soft.
Let's go. Yeah. Bing bong. Good chow.
The beast.
We filming?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. We have a little Oklahoma style hunt up here in Alberta, Canada. Day one in Alberta. We got on a pretty big Lesser Canada goose feed yesterday. We're in a little cut wheat field. We got an edge hide. They were probably, I don't know, 10 yards off of it. So we got our decoys probably about 15 to 35, 40 yards to the tip of the spread. So furthest shot should be 40 yards. Hopefully we can drag them in with the calling up to about 20 yards. Southwest wind, so they'll kind of be coming in right to left quartering. We got Michael here. Michael's my buddy from East Texas. He was actually a client of mine about 8 years ago. He's been on the channel a bunch.
Why don't you just pull up your phone and show them what I still am in your phone?
Michael was a client that came and hunted with me in Texas, and we became friends. I moved to East Texas. We've done a lot of bass fishing together.
Right, let's show them how I do client stuff.
He can't even get the decoys on the stake properly.
You gotta put your decoy in like that, right there. Brings them in every time.
Put that back. Put that back.
Master's talking, baby.
Oh gosh. Got about 7 dozen full bodies out, and 2 dozen shell decoys that were laying down in this bad boy yesterday eating. Looks good. I guess layouts on the edge. Nice hide. Really good hide. About an average wind. Should have sunshine this morning, so looking forward to it. Y'all stand by.
Well, let's just tell you everyone about the bands.
Oh jeez Louise.
We have a whopping 3 bands. Pinto from
From what?
Canada.
Canada.
Beaver country.
Canada.
No one calls Canada.
Well, you
Canada.
know, maybe I knew. And
You're doing it wrong.
Master speaking. Gadwall band. Me and Colt Roth killed that band together, and
You Colt Roth?
Yeah. You didn't shoot it. And this right here.
You got that hunt with me.
I don't care who you got it with. I pulled the trigger and you watched.
I put you on.
And then that's my son. I got a band made with my son's name on it.
Shout out.
You're not even gonna shout out Buddy's new call company?
Well, that's Tim Grounds. Alpha Call Company, Colt Roth. Bad little hammer of a duck call right there. I mean, I'm not going to get on it right now. I don't want to scare everyone.
Exactly like a hen mallard. That's what you just
You
got
see this
going.
right this? Barba.
You need to
you
shave
can't.
that.
It's greasy.
Oh look, a bar of soap. Look at all this goose poop though.
Yeah, he was picking it up, playing with it earlier.
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
Yeah, he usually eats a couple.
He keeps calling them Oreos.
He's got the old DS syndrome going on a little bit.
You're excited.
Jeez. There's your Go play. Get some energy out.
Look at this.
Dude, you gonna really wear that in the playoffs?
I mean, this is all I have. I didn't bring my hoodie.
It's a good deer hunt jacket.
Yeah.
Real nice and loud.
Yeah, but it's goose down too.
Okay. As you can tell, folks at home, his name in my phone will not change yet.
It never will.
It already popped the button.
Well, look how yeah, go. Never mind. Don't say that on camera.
I know. I love you too. She loves being the tallest one in the group.
Bella.
You can't juke her.
She's too good.
Yeah. Y'all ever hunted ducks in New Balances? I have.
We're goose hunting.
It's Michael wrong.
Michael wrong. Michael's being extra this morning.
Extra. Michael extra.
I'll make sure she's all warmed up this morning. Like the old G-Force 2 guys shooting the old Apex S3 Steel 4-shot. Got some lesser candidates today. They worked awesome. That's all I got. It's about shooting time. Let's get after them.
But yes, they're coming this direction,
Okay.
I think.
You want to start out silent, see what happens?
We can. The problem is going to be able to see these things before they get here.
See what things?
They birds. Not knowing where they're at to call at them.
We'll hit them when they get out there then.
They could come right around the corner locked up, like right on top
I think
of
they're going to see our decoys.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, but I don't think they're coming.
No.
They would have been here by now. Oh my God, he's going to say it.
There he is.
There's seagulls.
You called that, Whitey. Get him, Michael.
That's what I was hoping for. That's what I was hoping to happen this morning. That was a honker, Michael. It was a honker.
You gotta lead him, Mike. You gotta get a little lead on him.
You shot him right in the foot.
Oh, I was telling Whitey this morning, I said, I hope a single comes in and he goes 0 for 3. Sorry, Bella. I'm sorry, Bella.
That was a donkey, Michael.
He didn't get it.
That was one
Bella's
of the big ones.
mad. Michael's mad. I told you. Yeah, that was a big old juicy honker. Did you get that thing cuffing up?
Oh, dude,
Oh
nasty.
my!
I thought his wingtips were gonna start.
His wingtips were vibrating.
Back left here, we got some
All
more.
right. Kennel. I'm sorry, Bella. Kennel. Kennel.
Oh, that was-
Kennel.
Here, back left, guys. They're coming across the field.
Man, he liked the old lesser chirp.
Shh, Michael. Michael, they're right here.
They like it. I think they like it. There they come. Kennel. Take him in the hole, guys.
Kill him, Michael. Kill him 3. Kill him 3.
Kill him, Michael. Get the one. Nice shot, White. That was greasy. Landed on the upslope a little more than I thought they would. Back. Oh, just a little more to the right. Good girl. Oh, she's fighting today, baby. Good girl. Them are big lessers.
Yeah, they are. They're Mondos.
Heel.
Oh, we got it.
Back.
Those were the neat ones.
Back.
Tell her, there she goes. Good, get that one.
Dang it.
Oh, she got the long one first?
Yeah. Good girl. Heel. Hey. Back.
I cannot believe I missed that pony like that.
Made my whole day. That thing was greased up too, and you just lonked him.
You were just behind him. He's further than it looked. Good girl.
That was still pretty though.
Yeah, that was pretty. Thank you. Kennel. Good girl. You're being a beast today. Good girl. Good little goose dog.
You can shoot the decoys, it don't matter.
They coming?
Yeah, right here on the left.
I'm gonna lay off them. Oh, they're flipping. Kennel. Shoot him, guys.
Michael, shoot that goose on the left.
Shoot him, guys.
Michael, shoot that goose on the left. I'll take care of it for you again,
Back.
there, kiddo.
Back. Here. Come here.
We got him coming now.
All right, tip.
Oh my goodness.
Heel.
Back. Back.
Use your eyes. There you go.
Got it, girl.
Here.
Ah, what did it cut?
No, dang it.
Deal. Oh, sorry.
Is there one more?
No.
3?
Oh, one of my fat ones just went across the front. Front left. See him?
Oh, yeah.
Right on the right. There's 3 landed. There's 3 in a hole.
There we go.
They're comfortable.
Back on the left. Kennel. Take them, guys.
Kill, boys.
We just mopped.
Take them, guys.
Kill, boys.
We just mopped.
That was pretty neat.
That was cool.
The big guys are playing, the little ones can just go home.
Yeah. Let's get them big honks to play, then we're good. Yeah, get down, get down. Load up, get. Get down, Michael. Get down. Kennel.
Come over here. Take them, guys. Take them, guys.
Five more. All right, we got to clean now.
Go
We
back.
got way too much crap going
Back.
on. Hey, honk daddies.
Honk
are you
Daddy's
making
loved it. Oh, she wants the crip. Look
Get
at that. No, she loves it.
You want to help this quick, Cole? We got a mess.
Yeah, pick him, Michael, pick him. She got the freaking good one.
I need a whistler.
Here. That's a big one. Hey, good girl. Back. Gosh, look at the paddles, dude.
Hey,
look at
right
the
there.
paddles.
Get it.
Y'all get them all? Hey,
No, there's a couple
back.
more. Why do the honkers do it? The Lesters don't want nothing to do with it.
Back. Girl, here. Michael, throw me behind the bush.
Hey.
Come on.
Back.
We gotta get going.
Good girl.
We got stuff happening here.
Oh
These
my
things went into
gosh.
bed.
We just cleaned them up, boys. Here. Big donkeys. Good girl. Oh, tripty. Heel. Good girl.
These honkers
Awesome.
went in here so bad.
Awesome. He's a good girlie.
Can I belly shoot him?
Kendall.
I want to shoot these so bad, Cole.
Shoot him. Belly shoot you. Oh, nice. No, Mark. Nice shot, White.
Right in the face.
Was his leg shiny or was it just me? Was his leg shiny or was it
I
just
had
me?
to. I love that shot, dude.
Nice.
I love the belly shot.
Good girl. Here. She's warmed up now. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, dude, I thought it was Bandit. Kendall. Good girl. Kendall. We
What happens
did,
when you got a shooter?
we did those right, boys. Good shot. Good shooting. If you're enjoying this video, y'all be sure to hit that thumbs up button. That was a good little mop.
Discount, do Michael 15, not
Oh,
10.
jeez. All right, Michael 15. Heck yeah, give me some nuts, White. Thank you.
Biggins.
Hey, down there.
Unreal. All right, guys. Hope y'all are enjoying this. I think we just picked up, what, 10 or so? 12? Oh, our birds were in this field yesterday. It was probably a 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. We were a little worried about that. Sometimes geese will fly kind of closer to the roost, find a hilly field to hide behind a hill out of the wind. We were kind of worried about that, but honkers are playing. They're bringing some of the lessers in. We're getting some good decoying action. Y'all stand by. Let's get some more. All right, 20 more coming.
They big ones or little ones? I don't like the little ones. The big ones are doing it sick, dude.
Yeah, they are. I don't even have my honker call on my lanyard because they were landing way far away from them yesterday. Kendall, good girl, Bella. There we go. Single or no?
Yeah. Kill him.
Michael, get him. Lead him.
You're fired.
Oh my gosh.
That one was even closer.
That's probably the same bird you shot earlier.
We got a lot coming. Hey, hold on. He's going down. We got a lot coming.
Oh, we'll get him. I'm sorry, Bella.
Michael,
My friend
put it right on
is
the white
off.
patch and follow through.
Michael, you gotta lead him. You're hitting him in the tail. All right, lot coming. Get down, Mike. Kendall. I'm sorry, Bella. I'm sorry.
No
I
more
know,
for
it's
you.
aggravating. You're used to me and Whitey shooting.
I'll kill my honkers.
I'm gonna shoot 2 more. I'm done.
You definitely are butt shooting them.
Yeah, you are butt shooting.
I feel like I'm aimed right at their freaking head.
You gotta aim in front of their head. Tag him, guys. Get him. Tag him, guys. Get him.
Michael's butt shooting the crap out.
Yeah, y'all are.
That got me too. Hey,
Get them cleaned up. We can reset.
What's that blue thing out there?
Steak.
Roll twine or baleen
Come on!
twine.
Here!
There's pink and
That's
blue
a
stuff.
big, these things are huge.
That's all right. They're in the shadow. I'm not worried about them in the shadow.
Good girl, here! Thank you. Heel. Back. 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 Look how big these things are, dude.
Like you can't help but smile. Look at her.
I know, she's amazing, huh? She's being a little good girl. You love honkers now. She's obsessed with honkers.
I think it's as big as you,
It's like,
Burley.
it's like, this is the first bird I ever retrieved on a hunt. I'm loving them now. When she first got started, she wouldn't even go near them. That's a good girl. Passed up ducks for honkers. I didn't think you'd be a honker dog. You're a little 50-pounder. You're a little 50-pounder. You're a little 50-younder. You're a good girl. I've never met a dog that'll go through the middle of your legs too. Watch her. Come here. Come here. Come here. Who's your puppy? Who's your puppy? No. Who's your puppy? 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 Who's a good puppy? Kennel. Kennel. You little turd. Hey, give me some love, Ryder. Haven't got any nuts from Ryder, man. Y'all be sure to give Ryder a follow on Instagram. Check out some cool stuff.
Won't see that much.
Look at that rig. Rig's kind of slimmed down a little bit right now.
I go through phases where sometimes like,
Yeah.
I need it all, and sometimes like you gotta go light today.
I love the ghillie though.
Okay,
I do love the ghillie.
That's good.
We got you. It's alright, leave him. Damn, that really sexy. That was nasty. Michael, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. I mean, geez.
Wester's on the right.
Here he comes, Cole, right on your right. Kill him. Kill him.
Don't do it, Tyler. You're gonna make a mess.
Behind him a little on the first one. Bella. He probably would have spun and done it. Gross. He's not coming back. Here. Good girl. Thank you. They're quiet. It sucks. Skybus one.
Michael, shoot one. Well, he's better at the belly shots than he is at the ones in the decoys.
Oh shoot, dude, she's already going through fences, Ryder. Here.
I don't
Good
want to tell
girl.
you this, but you still shot him in the butt.
Here. Here.
You're a little better.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Dude, you can see the Rockies.
Good girl. Nice shot, Michael.
I couldn't believe
Good
I
girl.
didn't know we were that close that we could see him.
Go, girly. That's a good girl. barrel rolling through barbed wire already. Let me check your stomach. No scratches, just goose blood. Just goose blood. Good girly. Come on. Right through the leg.
Right through the leg.
She loves going between legs. That's a good girl. Hey, kennel up.
When's the last time you shot a honker?
You okay? Good girl.
In Ohio? When I went to Ohio?
Barreling through barbed wire. She's a machine already. Shoot the one.
Kill it. Kill it.
I'll get him. Kennel.
Cole killed it.
What do you mean you thought you
It
shot?
definitely wasn't you. It definitely wasn't Michael.
Well, I've got it in 120 FPS. We'll replay it.
I swear we shot. I didn't even hear you shoot.
I shot after you.
I shot twice.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. That's why I guess our second shot lined up.
Whatever makes you feel better, Mike.
If it's a band, Cole shot it.
It's definitely a
Exactly.
Here we go. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Heel.
Oh, she just looked every single one of us in the eye and showed us. She said, I got this.
Fetch it up.
That was so cute.
Wow, I can't believe I've shot that deer.
I can.
Heel.
It's so good.
Thank you.
I think all
Thank you.
morale has boosted since I've been here.
Oh, for sure. We haven't watched only but one single fly out of the decoys this year.
That is true.
I think
Ryder.
the dogs is better.
See, right through the legs.
But I'm proud of you.
You were such
Same
a
one.
goober. You were such a goober. I know.
25.
That was a good girl. That's a good girl. Now give me a kiss.
Name Bella.
You gotta stop.
Just kidding, Michael.
I'm gonna teach you how to blow that thing.
Yeah, we'll give you some practice.
I get it. You're from East Texas. You don't blow a goose call.
Call him in, Michael.
This is all you, buddy.
Get him in here, Mike.
You got them all.
Keep them. Keep getting them.
Keep talking to them just like that. If they get excited, we'll help.
There you go. Y'all ready to call her a day?
Oh, we were leaving at 45. That was 20 minutes ago.
I think we're done's.
Oh. I'll get one when we're picking decoys up.
It's been so long. What are you doing, Bella girl?
Bella, get off my bird.
You're gonna go pick up a bird.
Never her bird.
Hey, girlie. No. Go fetch it up. Go fetch it up. She gonna bring me a bird. Oh, girly, thank you. Michael, you wanna go grab the trucky? We'll get picked up. Fetch it up. Thank you, girly. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here, fetch this one up. Go have fun with that one. It's been so long. Go run around. Go play. Go play. Fetch it up, Noah. Over here, more pass. Fella. Here. Thank you. Get off my door. Oh, easy peasy. Look at that. What a day. Come on. Load up. Come on. Good girl.